In this video, we're going to explore a unique and innovative way to generate passive income using Instagram and the fascinating world of AI-generated art. If you've ever thought about venturing into a creative space that could potentially earn you hundreds of extra dollars every week, then you're in the right place. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive right in. First, let's break down the idea. We're going to harness the power of AI to create amazing and one-of-a-kind art. What is the best part? You don't need any special artistic skills, but if you're feeling extra creative, you can always add a personal touch using tools like Photoshop. Well, so let's get started. The very first step you need is patience. Building a solid audience base is crucial, and it might take uploading around 100 posts before you see significant results. But the good news is that all the tools we'll be using are completely free. Now, if you're up for it, investing a bit in boosting your posts through promotion can give you a head start. But don't worry, if you can't invest, you can still make this work. Now on to the amazing part, creating AI art. We're going to use an amazing tool called Leonardo AI. You'll have two options when you launch it. One, you can craft your prompt, giving the AI a starting point to work its magic. Alternatively, you can let the AI take the lead in enhancing your prompt with different stylistic options. You get 150 tokens daily, which should be more than enough. With a simple click on the Generate button, your artwork will be ready in mere seconds. And here's a bonus. AI-generated art can't be copyrighted, so feel free to use it for commercial purposes. Now that you have your great AI-generated art, let's turn it into tangible products. We're going to use Teespring, a well-known platform for creating custom apparel like shirts, hoodies, and posters. There are plenty of YouTube tutorials that can guide you through the process of setting up your Teespring store. The best part is that you won't need to worry about inventory or shipping. Teespring takes care of all that for you. But how do you find buyers? Well, that's where Instagram comes into play. Instagram is one of the most popular platforms where people buy products, and we're going to tap into that market. Now here's where the fun begins. It's time to create engaging and visually appealing posts that showcase your AI-generated art and products. If you're feeling creative, you can even create reels with trending music featuring your artwork. Just remember to use relevant hashtags to boost your post's visibility. The key to success in this venture is consistency. Keep posting regularly to build a dedicated following. Whether you're a professional artist or not, this strategy offers an exciting way to earn money online. So start creating and posting, and over time you'll see your growth in passive income. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on how to boost your finances. And, as always, if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. I sincerely hope you find this material useful and that it will aid you in your quest to monetize Instagram with AI-generated art. Keep in mind that persistence and patience are essential, and with time and effort, you can transform your artistic endeavors into a successful side business. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more advice on how to make money. Please leave any queries or suggestions for the next videos in the comments area below. We value the feedback of our viewers. Take care and keep the ideas flowing until next time.